Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if Runna isn't tracking your distance or pace correctly, the issue is usually related to GPS permissions, location settings, or signal problems. Most GPS issues can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the GPS not working issue in Runna in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, why GPS isn't working in Runna? Common causes include location permissions disabled, GPS turned off, battery saver limiting location, weak satellite signal, and outdated app or system. So most problems come from location settings. So first fix, enable location services. So on iPhone, open, settings, tap privacy and security, tap location services, okay, and turn location services on, okay. So GPS must be enabled for tracking, okay. So allow Runna location permission. So open settings, scroll to apps, okay, look for Runna here and tap location and select while using the app or always, okay. So you have to choose one of those options, okay. So Runna needs location access to track runs, okay. So you can turn off battery savers. So on iPhone, open settings, tap battery and turn it off low power mode, okay. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.